Hey guys, this is Vishal here from Savaj Outdoors, and today we are back with another video. In our previous video, we had shown you how a Taipan Veteran 2 air rifle is assembled, and in this video we are going to shoot it and show you how accurate it is. The air rifle that I'm shooting in this video is the same air rifle that was assembled as you saw in the last video, and it was quickly zeroed. Although I could not do a detailed review of this air rifle, here are a couple of things that I observed. Trigger was really nice and crisp. I really loved the trigger. Cocking lever was a little hard compared to some of the other air rifles like say FX Impact. It might be because it was a new air rifle, so that's one thing I didn't really like that much about Taipan Veteran. If any of you own Taipan Veteran air rifles, do let me know how your experience has been. This air rifle was shooting 25 caliber JSB King Heavy 33.95 green pellets. I was shooting at 40 yards, so let's see how it goes. So guys, now I'm going to shoot the Taipan.
Not EVA?
No, single shots only. Okay.
Proceed.
Alright, that's it. So now let's take a walk and see how's the target. Wow. This is bullseye is blown away. You can see. This is incredible. So guys, that's it for today. We'll be back with more videos. Stay tuned. Please subscribe to our channel, like our videos and share them. This is Vishal here from Savaj Outdoors. See you soon. Bye bye.